Peace talks fail as the Strait of Hormuz blockade sends oil prices surging today. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The S&P 500 etched out a new record high, closing up slightly at 7,174. The Nasdaq gained 0.2% to 24,887. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped a fraction to 49,176. Most of the Magnificent Seven traded lower during the session, with Apple, Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon finishing in the red. Nvidia bucked the trend by jumping 4%. Information technology and communication services were the winning sectors, while healthcare, industrials, and consumer discretionary ended up as the market's biggest losers. Looking at commodities and crypto, Bitcoin fell 1% to roughly $77,000. Gold dropped $50 to $4,700 an ounce. Silver remained steady near $75, while West Texas Intermediate crude surged 2% to $97 a barrel. The overriding story today is the stalled geopolitical peace talks in Islamabad. With the United States and Iran failing to meet, the Strait of Hormuz remains blockaded. This energy supply shock is exactly what caused crude oil prices to surge, as traders brace for prolonged disruptions. In corporate earnings, Domino's Pizza reported a disappointing first quarter, missing Wall Street expectations on both top and bottom lines while citing weakening consumer resilience. This bleak update caused Domino's stock to plummet nearly 10%, which directly dragged down the consumer discretionary sector. Semiconductor momentum remains an unstoppable force across the broader market. Following Intel's historic 24% rally last Friday, the stock gained again today. This enthusiasm for artificial intelligence lifted the chip sector, pushing the Nasdaq and S&P 500 to their record closing highs. The 10-year Treasury yield hovered near 4.3%, while data for the missing data 10 to 2-year curve was unavailable. The US dollar index eased to 98.3, and the VIX sat near 19. This indicates bond markets are consolidating quietly while awaiting central bank cues. The CNN Fear and Greed Index registered as 67, keeping sentiment firmly in the greed zone. This suggests buyers are aggressively ignoring geopolitical risks and rotating capital into equities. Looking ahead, the market outlook remains bullish. JP Morgan strategists advise investors to keep buying the dips, arguing the artificial intelligence earnings theme is intact and the path of least resistance points higher. We have 3 critical events coming up. The Federal Reserve announces its interest rate decision on Wednesday. Then, the advance reading on first quarter GDP growth drops on Thursday, followed immediately by the crucial core PCE inflation report. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.